Hi guys, good morning. And today I'm going to be doing a quick one. You know that in life, and there are processes in life. Do you understand? Like there are processes. You don't rush any of them. In the process of learning, that is when you get to know. Who am I talking to? Who am I talking to? So far so good. I've learned a couple of things here, and that thing is what have been affecting me positively. That I've been moving from one direction to another. So today I'm going to be doing a quick one. I don't know, most of you, there's this thing you guys always tend to do. Do you understand? You feel that maybe your friend now is a big thing. Like I have a friend of mine. He's a big thing now. Like he's a big dog in the industry. If I send him a message, it'll take him like a week or probably two to reply me. I don't get offended. Why? Because I feel he's in a level now whereby before he has to reply me, I need to get to that level. I don't pick an offense for the fact that he's not replying me. I just feel bad. I don't pick an offense. I just feel bad because I'm texting a friend of mine that meant to be like my real OG, that meant to be replying me or probably lifts me up, but it's not doing the same because everybody have their own ways to do their thing. Do you understand me? But at the same time, I use it as a motivation to motivate myself to move from where I am now, like to move from point A to point B. So don't get offended. Just keep doing what you're doing because at the end of the day, I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. So who got blessed with this message now? If you got blessed, say Isa. Because I know someone got blessed. See you next one. See you on the next one. Love y'all. Peace.